Good morning, Panthers. How is everyone this morning? I believe most of you are good, ne? Now, Panthers, forgive me for dropping this video late. You understand, I had to run some few errands earlier this morning. Now, Panthers, comment down below, how was your lunch time? How was your tea time? You understand? And also, Panthers, comment down below, is DRS working for you? Have you been able to boom some few throws using the DRS? You understand? It might be lunch, it might be tea time, but then is the DRS working for you? You understand? Now, Panthers, yesterday it was a bit of a complicated throw, ne? But of which yesterday, I don't wanna lie, I doomed in both throws, ne? And also, Panthers, just because I am sending you these videos, it does not mean I boom almost every day. You understand? Regardless of whether I boomed or not, I'm going to provide you with what? With a recap on what had happened in these throws. Ne? Now, let us start first. Let us go on lunchtime and check our results for yesterday. Let us go on lunchtime and check our results for yesterday, the 27th. Now, on lunchtime, we had what? We had 1, 2, 6, 15, 44, 48, and a bonus poll of 29. Now, on tea time, we had 10, 19, 20, 30, 47, 49, and a bonus poll of 48. Now, I was able to calculate 6, but then you see the 1 and 2. I had it in my code, ne? But then I'm not a Panther whereby I take from a visible code, you understand? I believe a code is something that is calculated, you understand? Because here we are calculating numbers, we are not applying luck, you understand? So I take it as a doom, you understand? I had calculated 6, 1, 2. It had appeared on my code, but then I opted to go the original way, by which it is to calculate a code. A code is something that you have to calculate. And then whenever you calculated your code, when you break it down, it must give you the matching throw numbers exactly just like I have been doing. You understand? Now, also on tea time, I'm going to calculate 10 and 19. Now, let us get into lunchtime first. Now, we are going to use what? We are going to use our last numbers that played when? That played on Sunday the 26th. On Sunday the 26th. Ne? Now, we're going to use a bonus poll of 41 first. Ne? We're going to use a bonus poll of 41. This 41, we just organize it. You understand? There is no need for me to calculate that bonus. I just organize that bonus. And then I check. This implied that there was a throw whereby 4 played first on lunchtime and then 1 played on tea time. I don't know if most of you are following. 4 played first on lunchtime, 1 is played later on tea time. We have to look for that throw. I think this throw is played when? This throw is played on the 1st, if I'm not mistaken. Let us go on the 1st of November. Let us go on the 1st of November. Let us go on the 1st of November. My bad. You know what I did? Sorry. Forgive me, Panthers. Forgive me. Forgive me. Let us start with this one. Eh? Let us start first with this one. Now, we are going to say 41. Eh? The 41 that played as a bonus. We are going to say 4 plus 1, it is 5. 4 multiplied by 1, it is 4. We're having 5 as the first number and 4 as the second number. 5 is played on lunchtime, 4 is played on tea time. Now let us go on the 1st of November. I think I made a mistake. Forgive me, Panthers. Let us go on the 1st of November. We have to find 5 on lunchtime and 4 on tea time. 5 on lunchtime, 4 on tea time. 5 here is 5. 5 is a brown ball, and then 4 is a yellow ball. We're now going to count now. We're going to count. By which this throw yesterday it gave us so many stops. Ne? We are going to count from the 1st up until the 27th. From the 1st of November up until the 27th of November. We're going to say now 27 minus 1 plus 1. We're getting a difference of what? We're getting a difference of 27. Now, 27 we multiplied by what? 27 we multiply by 23. Here's the code that I was telling you about. You understand? If you can check Pandas there in this code, 621. I believe 621 is played on yesterday's throw. Let us go and check. Visible numbers, but then I'm not a Panther, I'm not a predictor who believes in visible numbers. A code, you have to calculate it, and there is no guesswork this side. Your code, you have to calculate, you have to break your code. We are not going to take from visible numbers because we are not here to guess, but then we are here to calculate. We have 1, 2, 6. On our code, we have what? We have 621. You understand? If I was morely focused on visible numbers, I would have boomed 3 numbers. But then I had said 621. I had said 6 multiplied by 2 gave me 12. I said 6 multiplied by 1 it gave me 6. And then I bet 6 and 12, by which I doomed. You understand? But then I wanted to highlight our code. The 612, I had it on our code. 612, here's 126. You understand? Here's 126. I had these numbers on our code, but then I am glad you got to see where is it coming from, ne? Here's our code 612, and then here are the plate numbers on yesterday's lunchtime. 126. You understand? But then I'm not a predictor who believes in having to calculate, in having to what, Panther? In having to take visible numbers from a code. Remember, we are not here to guess, but then we are here to calculate these numbers. Ne? Now, let us go on tea time. I am done with lunchtime. Now, on tea time, Panther, we are going to use what? We are going to use our last numbers. We have last numbers of 22 and 41. We're going to say now, 22 multiplied by 41, it gives me a code of what? 902. We say 9 plus 0, it is 9. 9 multiplied by 2, it is 18. We're having 9 and then we're having 18. Let us go and check where did these numbers play. I believe they played on the 25. On the 25 of October 2023. Let us go on the 25 and then we are going to search for 9 and 18 as bankers, not as first numbers. Now let us go on the 25 of October. Let us go on the 25 of October and then we're going to search for what? For 9 and 18. 25 October 9 and 18. Here on tea time we're having 9 is the red ball and then 18 is the yellow ball. Now we're going to count. We're going to count from the 25 up until the 27. We're going to count from the 25 up until the 27. Yeah? Now, Panthers, I prefer you to count manually. 25 October up until the 27. Me, I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm going to say 31 multiplied by 25 plus 1 plus 27. It gives me a difference of what? It gives me a difference of 34. This 34 is played as what? Whereby 3 is played as a bonus. 3 is played as a bonus on the 18th of November. 3 is played as a bonus. From 34, from a code of 34. From a code of 34, 3 played as a bonus on the 11th, and then 4 was the banker, lunchtime. 4 was the banker. Now let us go and search for this throw. We are going to go on the 18th of November. Let us go on the 18th of November. Let us go on the 18th of November 2023. Here, on lunchtime, we're having 3 is what? 3 is the orange ball, which is what? Which is the bonus ball. And then 4 is the banker, which is what? Which is the yellow ball. Here we're having last number and then we're having the first number. We're now going to count. We're now going to count from the 18 up until yesterday. We're now going to count from the 18 up until yesterday, which was the 27. Panthers, I prefer you to count manually so, Count manually so, but then I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm going to say 27 minus 1 plus, I know I'm going to say 27 minus 18 plus 1. We get a difference of what? We're getting a difference of 10. Now I believe 10 on tea time was the first number to be thrown. 10 was the first number to be thrown yesterday on tea time. Let us go and confirm. 10 was the first number to be thrown yesterday on tea time. Let us confirm, Pandas. Let us confirm here. Here's 10. 10 was the first number that was thrown yesterday on tea time. I've calculated 10. Now, we're going to use the first numbers that played when? That played on the 26. Let us go on the 26. On the 26, we're having first numbers of 8 and 16. Ne? We are going to say now, 8 plus 16 equals to what? Equals to 24. We are just going to organize 24. We say 2 and 4. We go on the 9. We have to set for a throw whereby 2 played first and then it was followed by 4. Let us go on the 9 of November 2023. I think it was on tea time. 9 November 2023 tea time. 9 November 2023 tea time. Let us go. On the 9 of November 2023 tea time. Here we're having 2 is the red ball, 4 is the yellow ball. We're now going to count from the 9 up until the 27. 9 up until the 27. I prefer you to count manually, Panthers. I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm going to say 27 minus 9 plus 1. I've calculated 19. 19 was the second number. I believe 19 was the second number to be thrown after 10 yesterday on tea time. Here's 10 and then here's 19. Here is 10 and then here's 19. We're having 10 and then we're having 19. I've calculated 10 and 19, 2 bankers, which is equivalent to 61 odds. Now, Panthers, good luck when it comes to today's draw. Take what you can afford to lose. Don't mistake my videos as what? As predictions for a current draw. You understand? Now, Panthers, remember to stake what you can afford to lose, Panthers. And also, Panthers, if you can do me a favor, comment, like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend that Treco is out here doing miracles. You understand, Panthers? I've told you countless times, Panthers, that Lotto, it is mad, and I'm proving it. Thank you and God bless.